If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Find on Report window in Sage 50 Accounting makes it even easier to find information on reports and financial statements. To find information in a report when previewing a report or financial statement in Sage 50 Accounting, click the Find button in the toolbar at the top of the preview window to open the Find on Report dialog box. Within this dialog box, type the term to find within the selected report preview into the Find What field. Then set the search settings in the Search Options area at the bottom of the dialog box. You can set the direction of the search by selecting either the Search Forward or Search Backward option button. To the right of that, you can check any or all three checkboxes to add those parameters to your search. The checkbox options are Match Case, Use Wildcards, and Find Complete Words Only. After making your selections, click the Find Next button to find the next occurrence of the term you entered within the report. The term appears selected and bolded within the report preview. You can then continue to click the Find Next button to find any other occurrences of the term within the report until you reach the end of the report. You can then click the Cancel or Close button within the dialog box when you finish finding the desired term within the report preview. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.